phone you want to talk interact with the customer regarding any issue they will provide you. That is you have to speak the BPO, business process outsourcing, Telugu or English you see, and you will get that opportunity. Second one, retail. Retail means where you will get the opportunity, box office. There is a ticket counter and shopping malls, retail outlets. There also, where RS Brothers, Chandra Brothers, they also get opportunity. Third one, BFSI, banking, finance, service and insurance. Third one, it's very important. Their banking sector will get opportunities. Even whether so over the phone you want to talk to the customer care service, or as field work and inside and off inside, off outside. I mean field work depending upon. Okay, fourth one, field sales. Field sales means what happen to company, what they will tell you. Okay, you have to go outside. No need to sit at office. No need to sit at office. Just you have to go there and you talk to the clients or the customer regarding that. Example, best example, you know that LIC